Hi, I want to show you how to enable and use Circle to Search feature on Google Pixel 9a. Start by going in Settings, where we can find and enable this feature. So, I want you to select Display and Touch, then choose Navigation Mode, scroll down, and this is Circle to Search. So we can touch and hold the Home button if you're using buttons navigation, or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. To use it, just toggle on the switch like this. Now you can search for anything you want to. For that, you need to hold either Home button or this line if you use gesture navigation. And after that, you can circle, tap, or highlight anything on your screen to search it. So, for example, I can highlight this one, and I will see the same results in Google. This will work with photos and videos as well. For example, I can open up my photos, and let's search for these headphones. So I'm just gonna press and hold it, highlight, and now as you can see, I can find similar results with the name of this device. We can also switch to products and even find out the price of these headphones, which is also really cool. You can do the same in any app. For example, if you saw something cute on TikTok, then you can highlight it as well and find out results in Google. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.